If you don't know, now you know. Did I hear a woo? Yeah. So who else is unique here in this audience? Who thinks they're diverse? Literally no one. All right. I hate to pick on people, so keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. I hate to pick on people. I like to pick on you. Yeah. What makes you unique? What's your name also?
Pamela, Royal Caribbean Cruises. What makes me unique? I'm Peruvian.
Peruvians in the house. Great food. Who else? Who else is unique? Yes.
The first thing that makes me unique is my name. Have you ever heard Macduff? Never. So that's makes me unique. And after I have a startup company, we are the only one in the market right now disrupting.
Congratulations. I have also never heard that name. Anyone else? Oh, yes.
I'm probably the oldest startup founder. After retirement, I started a new company at the age of 71.
I'm telling you, we've got a pattern up in here. Each and every single one of us is unique. So if you're unique, let's make some noise. Good, good, good. If you're unique and you can run a business, make some noise. If you're unique, come on, make some more noise. We gotta get it up. If you're unique and you want to change the goddamn world, make some noise. Good. Now that we're all energized, why don't we get this show on the road? So before we do that, let's do some announcements and mandatory thank you to our sponsors, because you know we have to. Today's agenda can be found at